Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetReviews.com, and today we are here at the HP event and we have the HP Omni 10 with us. This is how the Windows 8 tablet looks like, and this tablet is a different tablet altogether because you can also dual boot in Android as well. So you can run Android as well as Windows 8 on it. As far as the specifications is concerned, it has got a 10.1-inch high definition IPS display, and you have got Intel Bay-Trail processor, quad-core processor, Windows 8.1, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal memory, 8 megapixel rear camera, which is a autofocus camera, and 2 megapixel front camera. And again, both of these cameras seems to be autofocus, and we will just confirm that. When we talk about the tablet, this is how the tablet looks like. It is really light in terms of the weight. That is something which I can say initially. And here we have all the connectors over here for the micro USB and other things. We have the loudspeaker over here at the bottom, one on this part and one on this side, as you can see. And we have over here the slot for the SD card. So you can actually insert an SD card. This is an HDMI port for connecting this to external TV monitor. You have a micro USB port over here, and then we have the charging port over here. On this side, if we take a look, we have nothing, no ports. We do have a volume rocker to actually control the volume of this tablet, and here we have the 8 megapixel rear camera, which can also record high definition video, and it is an autofocus camera. When it comes to the back side is a kind of a rubberized finish, a matte finish with HP logo in the middle, which looks good. So in terms of the overall look and feel, it is looking good. And if we take a look over this side, we have the port over here for the headphone jack. So you can connect in headphone. A 3.5 headphone jack is also there on this tablet. So in terms of the overall look and feel, this tablet looks good. You have a Windows logo over here, the button, which actually can also be used to wake up the tablet. This is a complete 10-inch tablet, basically in terms of the display size, if you are taking a look at. And this is how the UI look like. The UI is again Windows 8, and it is running Windows 8.1, so you can use it like PC as well, and that is something which is really good. As you can see, you have a complete PC experience on this device. You have all the icons and everything. You can actually use it in the PC mode, and you can also sideload Android on this one as well. As far as the screen clarity is concerned, the screen clarity looks good. The viewing angles of this tablets are also good, so you can view the display from extreme angles without any issues. So that is something which is possible on this device, and the overall form factor of this device looks good. As far as the MRP of the device, we will just confirm you. And the MRP of this device is 26,990 Indian rupees, and again little bit higher for a device like this, but again this device has multi-functionality. You can actually load Android as well on this, so you can have dual boot Android and Windows side by side running, and you can use it like a PC. You just need to mount it onto the keyboard dock, which will come with this device, and or you can actually separately buy it as well and then use it like a PC. You can also use it like a tablet, and it is not heavy at all in terms of the overall weight. So we will come up with detailed review of this very soon. We do have a power and sleep key at the top, and we have a mic over here for voice calling. Not for voice calling, but again for video calling. So video calling is possible, but SIM card cannot be inserted into this tablet. Till then, stay tuned, and you can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.